Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrew and today I'm just going to show you my workout. So in a few days time it's nearly Christmas, so I'll be going on holiday, and you know, when you're on the road trips and all that stuff, you'll be eating some good food, and once you reach to your holiday destination you'll be eating lots of good food at the restaurants and there won't be time for some workouts. So today I'm just pumping some sets of 3 different workouts. So I'm starting off with the flat bench press over here, doing 3 sets of 12 reps. I stacked on 15 kg plates on both sides, so we are benching 50 kgs over here. So yeah, this is just my start for this workout. And yeah, today I'm taking it a bit light. I used to just stack 20 kgs on both sides, but today, since I took I think 3 to 4 days of recovery time, thinking I didn't need a workout before my holiday trip, and then today I just said I need to give it a workout, and just with lighter weight. So yes, now I'm on the incline bench press over here, also doing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you followed my channel, you can see, I don't know, my stomach, the shape of my stomach is getting there, you know, that it's no more that round. Because every time after I do weight training, I go do at least 15 to 20 minutes of ab exercises. So yeah, it's kind of working, and I also sometimes go for just a 20-minute walk. We don't need to do a lot of running. But after the holidays, I'm going to start, because I want to join the High Rocks. I want to do that event, and it requires a lot of cardio and fitness and all that stuff, and weight training won't do that much. You need to have a strong heart. So after the holidays, I'm just going to do a lot of running and a lot of that other High Rocks workouts. Yeah, so after the incline bench press, I just went to do some shoulder presses with the dumbbell shoulder presses. I was pressing 12.5 kilogram dumbbells there for 12 reps, and then I said let me just do a little superset, and to that went light with some 5 kg dumbbells, just doing some lateral raises, side lateral raises over there. So if you see many YouTubers, they say when you do these shoulder presses and lateral raises, you must tilt your shoulder and all that. Just guys, don't listen to them. Just press it how your shoulders feel like pressing them, like how you lift the dumbbell. You don't need to alter your shoulders forward a bit and all that stuff. It will just mess up your shoulders. In real life, when we're lifting up a box, we're not tilting our shoulders forward and all that stuff. So when you're doing these lifts, as long as it's comfortable on your shoulders, then you just pump it like that, and then you'll get stronger. Well, if you're a bodybuilder, which I'm not, I'm just an obese dude trying to gain strength and build some muscle and lose some body fat, then we just do these simple workouts. We don't need to care about the form and all that stuff to get that line on the bicep and all that stuff. Yeah, so just do everything normally and eat normally. When we say eat normally, meaning you can eat your daily dinners, but just stay away from junk food like McDonald's and chips and sweets and chocolates and all that stuff, and then you'll get fit. Yeah, so after I did 3 sets of those superset for the shoulders, then I said let me just do 3 sets of these bicep curls over here, as you can see. So each arm we're doing like 15 reps, but you can see I'm alternating. I'm doing different versions of the curl, like bicep curl, hammer curl. So in the end, each arm did like 15 reps, and I was holding 7.5 kg dumbbells. It's like some days you can go super heavy, but some days you also have to use lighter weights. So we must break the ego, because sometimes when you do lighter weights, it's like the muscle gets a gooder pump, and I don't know, your muscles just grow way bigger when you are using lighter weights. Sometimes when you're using heavy weights, it's like it tones the muscle, it shreds the muscle, but the muscle doesn't grow. So light weights grow muscles, and I find out heavy weights just strengthens the muscle, but it also tightens the muscle, but the muscle won't grow. But you do get stronger, but you also feel a bit of injury. Just think about it, like if you take a piece of steak and then you hook a weight on the steak for too long, like a heavy weight, and then the meat, just pretend the steak meat is your arm or your back, and then it just rips. So sometimes too much heavy weight will cause injuries, but you can do it once in a while. You can do it maybe once a week, but during the week mostly stick with light to moderate heavy weights to build up. So yeah, so after the biceps, I just went to do some deadlifts. Over here is 20 kg plates on both sides, so we're doing a 60 kg deadlift over here. And yeah, so since I've been filming these videos and showing you guys, I can feel like my deadlifts has improved, my form and everything. I can lift these 20 kg plates very easily for 10 reps. So after the holiday, I'm just going to try to increase the weight and then let the body muscle grow. So these deadlifts, it strengthens the back, and it also works on the calf muscles and your legs over there. I don't really use like calf machines and all that stuff. That's why I like doing the deadlifts instead, just to strengthen my legs. If I really want to strengthen my legs, I go for sprints, guys. Sprinting can really pump those legs up and strengthen them up. You have to work your legs, because if you work too much of your upper body, it's like, sure, the upper body grows and your back and biceps grow, and your upper body gets heavier because the muscles are heavy. And then think about it, and then your chicken legs can't handle that body, the upper body weight, and then you get knee injuries when you walk and all that stuff. But if you strengthen your legs as well, it will be strong enough to hold the upper body weight. But you must also work on your abs. So every time we finish weight training, we must work on the abs. The abs, I don't want to lie, since I have been since I've been doing abs after weight training, when I do any of these heavy lifts, it becomes easier, and I don't get much injuries after my training. So yeah, you must work on your abs. Even if you see me now, I have a big stomach, is because these few days I've been eating too much burgers and carbs and chips and sweets. Yeah, that's why today I said I had to just hit the gym just to stretch out the muscle, and then I think tomorrow I'm gonna come again to do another workout, get the muscle stretched, and then when we go on holiday and we eat all that food, at least all that junk food will feed those muscles, and hopefully the muscles will help to burn some calories along the way before the holiday ends, and then we can come back and still be strong. So this for 2025, I'm gonna stick with weight training first, and then do a bit of abs and cardio. That's my plan for 2025. Until then, the 2024 will end soon. So yeah, but maybe I'll implement like maybe once a month, like just do full-on cardio. Oh, what am I saying? I said I wanted to join the High Rocks competition, so I will be doing a lot of cardio to improve my fitness level. I don't know, I have like a friend, he weighed like 120 kgs, guys. And then like just he worked out like for 2 months. He was running every day for 2 months, and then he lost like 30 kgs. So he was like 90 kgs. So then in December this month, he went to China. I think he went to China for like 3 weeks. At 90 kg, he was thin. He was very thin because he was a bit tall and all that stuff. He lost like 30 kgs in 2 months. He went to China. You know, China is so nice. You have so much delicious restaurants, and every day you're eating good food. When he came back after 3 weeks and I saw him, he was back to his original 120 kgs. He gained all that weight back. So that's why I'm saying cardio, just doing cardio. Just like me when I lost 20 kgs. Before I was 75 kgs. I did mostly swimming and cardio and like calisthenics. I didn't do much weight training. And then now I'm back to, you can see 92 to 93 kilograms. But that was because of COVID. I gained all that weight during the COVID area, which was like from 2020 to 2023. So it took nearly 3 years for me to gain back all my weight that I lost. But hey, this year I didn't accomplish my weight loss goals to reach 80 kgs, but I know what I've been doing. I've been eating badly and not tracking my calories. So yeah, it happens, guys, but as long as we keep on training. Sure, I didn't lose weight, but I did gain some muscle, and people still said I look good at obese weight. But for me, I'm still not there. I still dream about having back those six-pack abs that I used to have. And I don't know, when you're more leaner, you're like more taller, and when people see you, you're more beast. So yeah, until next year. Tomorrow's another workout before the holiday begins. So yeah, all these workouts today, there was 27 sets over here, so of all these workouts that I did. So if we just say 27 sets by like 10 reps each, we did like 270 reps today. And I completed this workout, I think, in about 1 hour, in 1 hour's time. Well, you can see this workout. Just went to pump more machine, just to work on my back more. And yeah. Well, anyways, guys, if you like my content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of my workouts and what I can improve on, or what I can do to look way better or to lose weight. Well, anyways guys, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.